Hi, I'm Jahane, and today I want to tell you a story. Um, it's not a real story, but something in my head, I guess. Um, it's a story that applies to my life right now and everything that's going on, and just listen, eh? There was a little baby bird and a mama bird sitting in a nest. And the mama bird knew it was time for the baby bird to fly away on its own. The baby bird had come so accustomed to the nest and the happiness that it brought that it didn't want to leave the nest. It loved the nest. It was a warm, safe place. But the mama bird knew that the baby bird couldn't stay in the nest forever, and that it was time to test its wings and see how strong it had become. But the baby bird pleaded, "Don't leave me. I don't want to go. I'm safe here and I know this place. I'm not ready to fly away yet." The mama bird said, "You're ready. You have learned so much in this nest with me that it's time you fly away. You've grown. Your wings are stronger than they were when you were a little baby. Look at you now. You can fly away." But the baby bird protested again, "Mama, I'll miss you. What am I going to do without you?" And the little baby bird and the mama bird said, "Oh, my little birdie, I'll still be around. But you're ready now. You're so ready. Don't be afraid, fly." The little baby bird looked down at the nest into the cold, scary world and said, "But Mama, once I leave the nest, I can't come back." The mama bird said, "You're ready. It's gonna be okay." But the baby bird just didn't want to fly away. It cried and said, "Mama, I'm not ready to go. Mama, please don't kick me out of the nest yet." But the mama bird, she didn't want to see her bird go. But she knew it was right. The mama bird had spent so much time with the baby bird, teaching it how to fly. It had gotten so much stronger than when she saw that little bird pop out of the egg for the first time. That bird was ready to fly. That bird was ready to be strong and grow. But the baby bird just wasn't sure. It didn't think it was ready. It was too afraid to fly away. But the mama bird said, "It is time. You can't stay here any longer." The baby bird had tears in its eyes as it looked over the nest. And with one small step, the baby bird flew out of the nest. And here's the thing. The baby bird flew so strong. Its wings carried it onto a path of amazing life for that bird. That bird was ready to grow and to show the world what it had learned in the nest. The baby bird was ready. Of course, the mama bird missed her little birdie. She cried too. But she knew that what she'd done was right, and now her bird was ready to live a life on its own. The bird had learned so much in the nest, but the time had come to let go. And the little baby bird flew and flew and flew and was strong and ready. It had learned so much in the nest. And it was ready. I hope you understand what I'm saying right now. I think most of you do. The nest is safe for a time. But we all have to grow up. We have to leave our nest. Sometimes little baby birds can't stay in the nest anymore. They have to find a big, strong cedar tree that'll protect them, just like the nest did. And of course the baby bird missed the mama bird. But mama bird wasn't gone forever. That'd be a terrible mother. But the baby bird was ready to be on its own. The baby bird made friends. But we have to step out of our nest. We have to claim our own tree. We can't stay where we are forever, no matter how much we love it. And with that, that's my story. Thanks for listening. Have a blessed day.